Hi there, and welcome to Trader Dashboard Pro, the all-in-one Notion template for traders. As a user, the template provides everything needed to stay organized and on top of trading operations in one place. With the Trader Dashboard Pro, users can easily keep track of journal entries, create and maintain a trading playbook, manage projects, and more. Not only is the template intuitive and easy to use, with a clean and visually appealing design, but it also helps users save time on mindless tasks. They can focus on what matters most, their trades, while the template handles the rest. In the journal section, users can record their thoughts, reflections, and observations about their trades. Use tags to sort performance and outcomes for further analysis and insight. The journaling is highly centered around process over purely the trade metrics. This is a great way to keep track of progress and learn from experiences. The Playbook section allows users to document trading strategies and tactics, providing a clear reference point when making decisions. The Projects section lets users track ongoing projects and tasks related to trading operations. With the Trader Dashboard Pro, users have everything needed to stay organized and focused on their trading. Access the template today and elevate any trading business, taking a big step forward in the trading journey. Please note this is not financial advice, and purely for entertainment and educational purposes only. Trading is highly risky. Make sure to subscribe to catch the latest trading-centered videos I'm posting. Bye for now.